Projects sometimes call for cutting grooves or notches much wider than you can create with an ordinary saw blade. Here's an easy way to create them. Start by laying out the notch on your workpiece, marking the length and the depth. Then, with your saw unplugged, set the cutting depth by aligning the blade with your marks. Now you can cut to establish the end of the notch, cutting just inside your end line. A saw guide makes it easy to cut straight and stay on your mark. Now you'll make a bunch more cuts about 1/8 to 1/4 inch apart. These cuts don't have to be straight or even, so don't worry about using the saw guide. It seems like a lot of cuts, but the thin pieces left behind will be easier to remove in the next step. Grab a hammer and start breaking out the waste by striking against the side. You may need to use a chisel near the closed end of the notch. With that done, you can use the chisel to smooth things out. Tapping the chisel with a hammer helps you get through the wood. Just take your time and try not to gouge deeper than the depth of your cuts. The process is sped up here, but it really only takes a few minutes. Finally, finish it up with a bit of sanding, and you'll have a wide notch made using a regular circular saw.